Hi, this is the Gerber Center-Drive unboxing. Pulling the box out of the packaging. Please note the condition of the box. As I remove the contents of the box, please note the corner of the sheath there. Not a big deal though. The two pieces of paper enclosed. The orange one is the disclaimer. The white one is the warranty. This is the bit carrier. It holds 12 assorted bits. Moving on to the multi-tool itself inside the sheath. Okay, in this view, the elastic sides here and here, and provides a snug fit for the multi-tool and bit holder. Like all Velcro flaps, when new, have a positive closure. Okay, here we go, removing the center drive from the sheath. Obviously, made in USA, Gerber. Initial appearance is impressive. Very clean lines. The black and metal finish give it a professional, functional look. Okay. Pushing on the button extends the plier head out. It's a spring-loaded to the open position. Demonstrated here. To retract, push the button in and then pull the plier head in. Moving on to the center drive itself. This is a very robust tool. Locks out. The axis of the bit is in line with the main body. Actually, it's similar to if it was a standard or Phillips screwdriver. It's a liner lock type feature, very positive. Folds up nice and clean. Moving to the other side is the straight edge knife blade. Extends and locks out. It's a liner lock type mechanism. Very positive. Push in, release, and fold the blade. Moving on to the rest of the tool. Going to extend the plier head out. Lock in position, it opens up, it's spring loaded to the open. The piece right here, that is a bit holder for a spare bit. In this case, it's a 3/16 flat tip. You can put any other bit in there. By the way, that bit holder, that's as far as it goes. It doesn't rotate out. And it folds right back into the body, like you see here. Moving on to the next tool. In this case, it'll be the file. File is two-sided, coarse and fine. Positive lockout. Has a lock release right here. And release and fold back into the tool itself. The next tool is the awl. This is a strictly a punching tool has no means for any other purpose. Positive lockout, and likewise it releases easy and folds back into the body. The next blade or tool is the pry bar, nail remover, and cap lifter. Solid lockout. It appears to be chipped, a corner of the pry bar blade. Casting flaw? Don't know. I'm considering returning it for replacement. Closing, just like the previous tools, release the lock, fold into the body. The last item on this tool is the serrated knife blade. It too locks out positively. Nothing fancy about it. To release, pull back the release, fold the knife blade back into the body. Just like this. Once you fold the tool up, retract the plier head into the body. This locks it all up for storage. Okay, now we'll move on to the last item, the sheath or pouch. Overall, it's excellent quality. It appears to be double stitched, and it has provisions for belt carry here and here. This appears to be a 2-inch belt loops along with a 1-inch belt loop right here, as I can slip my finger in. And vertical, which appears to be a 2-inch. Moving to the inside of the pouch or sheath, made in China. Moving to the pockets, the large one you see here, small one here. Large ones for the multi-tool, small ones for the bit carrier. The elastic sides are obvious. Going to insert the multi-tool in the main pocket. Note that it's a snug fit, takes a bit of effort, but it goes in. Then the bit carrier, likewise, slips into its own pocket, and likewise, it's very snug fit, as you can see here. Fold the flap over. It's all good. Very compact, clean, and I like it. I hope you enjoyed viewing this clip. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Check the description for more info and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in other videos.